So the first thing that I'm gonna do is look for inspiration on Pinterest and search for make vision board. So right here, I'm just gonna browse through all the images here that I like and that I think resonates with me more and take a screenshot of it. I'm really looking for a vision board that looks fun and basically a vision board that when I look at it, it reminds me of myself and my style. And I'm gonna make it simple as possible with lesser pictures, and I'm gonna put some goals or photos that I want to manifest, like traveling, going out with friends and family, and as well as my boyfriend. I'm also gonna be focusing on my business, which is a sticker business or sort of like an art business, and I'm also planning on moving to a new apartment, and I also want to focus on my body goal and as well as focus on doing art more and earn more money for this year. So after I gathered those pictures, I'm gonna head on to Procreate and then do the fun stuff, which is putting together all the photos, the quotes, and design for the overall vision board, putting stickers and so on.
All the pretty lights are behind me. Why does this time of night feel so unearthly? Lights outside this car, they seem so blinding. The rain across the sky, it feels like I'm falling too. If only I could be anybody and feel that you could tell me the things I wanna hear. Construct me and make me so much more than I need. Not just anybody, I need someone who cares. You feel so unreal, but the pain still remains. And I'm hurting, I feel inside my bones, the kind of hurt that won't leave me. Cold purple hue mixed with warm lighting, a feeling so unknown yet so inviting. The static of this car, it leaves me unwinding. Too much space to be filled within the time. If only I could be anybody and feel the way you heal me, the way I wanna be. Construct me and make me so much more than I need. A landslide and waiting.